This is a product review of the MUNBYN thermal label printer. I recently received this label printer from the manufacturer, and after a few weeks of positive performance, I am providing this review video with a buy recommendation. If you need to print labels, you can't go wrong. It's inexpensive, compact, fast, installs in minutes, and since it's thermal, doesn't require any toner. For a limited time, you can get a discount through Amazon, making it more competitive than other top label printer brand names like Dymo, Brother, and Zebra. To get one, make sure you check out the Amazon link and promo code in the description of this video. Now let's look at the details. The printer is delivered in a small 5x7 by 9 inch box that contains the printer, a power adapter with cord, a USB cable to connect to your computer, a user guide, a driver installation CD, and a stack of 4x6 labels. Installation is simple. Connect the power and USB cables, turn on the printer, open the cover, load the labels, and close the cover. The printer automatically detects the label and positions itself for printing. The CD contains drivers for both PC and Mac. If you don't have a CD, you can download the drivers online at munbyn.com or just click on the link provided in the description of this video. The printer driver is the ITPP941 USB printer. For Windows 10, run the executable, and when the PC driver setup screen opens, click Get USB Port, and then click the Setup button. That's all you need to do to get the driver working. You should see the new label printer in your device list and can manage settings there, but the default settings work perfectly right out of the box. When using the label printer, hold down the button on top to advance to the next label. If you hold it down until you hear a beep, it will rescan the paper to determine the label size. Hold it down until you hear 2 beeps, and it prints a self-test page. Printing is fast, 150 millimeters per second, which is equivalent to printing one 4x6 label every second. Overall, I'm impressed with the MUNBYN thermal label printer. To get one from Amazon, follow the link in the description of this video and use the provided promo code during checkout to get a special discount just for watching this video. Hey, if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click the thumbs up and leave a comment. I really do appreciate your support.